Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Nezarin Flow here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a working PayPal account in Nigeria. And as we all know, in Nigeria we can only get the personal option, which allows us to send payments, but we can't actually receive. Now this is not a good thing actually for we in Nigeria, and that's the reason why I'll be showing you guys how to go about the creation of a working business PayPal account. Now, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a new email, and also you're going to need a number that hasn't been used to create the PayPal account before. And the application you're going to need for this is called the 1.1.1. And when you head over to your Play Store, you can search for it. This is the application. And once I click on open right now, you can see how it says I'll be using it for this video. I'll click on next and click on accept. Click on install VPN profile, click on OK, allow notification, or you can click on not now. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this to turn it on. So you just have to wait for it to turn on. It's going to show connected. Now here you can see it's already connected, and we can now head over to the PayPal website. Now coming back here, what you want to do is you want to tap on this spot where you can see the paypal.com, and here you can see this is still showing this paypal.com/ng. So what you want to do is you want to edit this by coming over here, click on this, and then we're going to change this ng to AE and click on search. I will just have to pass this security challenge. And once you're done with that, you can now see on my screen right now that we have the option to create a personal and business PayPal account. And once I click on this menu on here, you can see on here that we have the personal and the business. Once I click on the business, you can see it accepts payments, and then you can as well send from it. This allows you to receive and also send out money directly from the PayPal account, and this is what we're going to be creating in this video. So what you want to do is you want to click on sign up. And here you have the option to select between personal and the business accounts. We're going to be using the business, and click on get started. Now the next thing is to fill in your name. Ensure you're filling in your legal name, okay? And then an email that has not been used for PayPal before. So I'll be using this for it, and also add in your password. And once you're done with that, click on the checkbox and click on agree and create account. Now they said confirm your email with a code. So click on email me a code. A code has been sent, so all I have to do now is head over to my email and get that code. Alright, so here you can see the code that was sent to me. All I need to do is copy this code and input it where it's asked to. And then click on submit. So now you can see you are all set. Just a second. So we just have to wait a little bit. And here you can see activate your account to start using PayPal. So all you have to do is click on let's go. And here you're going to get the option select between individual seller and also the business. So we're going to be using the business, and here just click on the business, and we're going to choose this private corporation and click on next. Now you can see on here, just click on use legal name. So click on legal name here, and we can fill in your name over here. So I'll be using this. And once you're done with that, you can see now this actually changed to my trading name. Now the next thing you're going to need is your business registration number. So if you actually have a business registration number, you can fill in that here. But if you don't have a business registration number, you can just fill in 13 random numbers. So I'll be filling that right now. Alright, so I filled in the number. Don't worry about this. Actually, if you don't have a business registration number, this would still work. All of these are just to fill in the necessary information. So just fill in a random number, but if you have a business, as I said earlier, you can fill that here. And then the next thing is to set in your primary currency. You can leave it at the US dollar. And we have, what do you sell or what services do you offer? So we can come down here and search for what service you actually offer. So I will be filling in this. So I'll be filling this photographic studio, and then click on, do you have a business website? I don't really have one, so click on no. And here you are asked to fill in your numbers, so you just come down here, and we're going to change this to Nigeria. Or if you have any of the country number, you can actually use that to create this account. So click on this, and what you're going to do is you're going to fill a number that has not been used for PayPal before. So I'm just going to fill one on here. Alright, so I filled in the number already, and the next thing we're going to need is we're going to need a PO box address for the business. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new tab by clicking on the plus icon there, and then search for this. We'll search for UAE random address and click on check. Now scroll all the way down, click on this one where you see best random tools. And all we need to do is scroll down and get an address from here. So I will be using the one that's as Abu Dhabi. Alright, so here is the one I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on streets and copy this. Now head over to my PayPal and fix that on here. The next is to fill in the city, so come back again and take this city, copy this as well, and I'll come over here and fill in this city over here. Now the Emirates is actually Abu Dhabi, so we're going to leave it that way. So click on next. And here you can see, do you have a legal name, right? So all of these information are here, and you just have to fill in your date of birth and also your nationality. So for this nationality, you're going to change this to Nigeria. Now, some people might actually be asking, why should I fill Nigeria for the nationality if I'm using an address of the Abu Dhabi? Now, the reason why you're using Nigeria is you're going to be needing your ID card. So you're either going to be using your NIN, your passport, or your driver's license to fill in the information. So ensure that every information you're filling on here is actually going to correspond with your ID. The date of birth should match your ID. So what you're going to do now is ensure that everything is actually correct. And with that said, we're just going to get over to the date of birth and also your phone number. Alright, so we filled in the date of birth and also the number again. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on same as registered business address, and now click on next. So please follow this step thoroughly, okay? And here you can see complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interruption. So we just need to do is click on place of incorporation, and we're just going to scroll down and we're going to select Nigeria. And then once you don't fill in the Nigeria, you click on submit. So now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click up here, and we're just going to answer a couple of questions by clicking on no for this first one. Click on no over here. and now you can see you are all set. You can now accept payments and move money. So we'll go over to the home page. And now what I want to do is I want to change this over to my desktop site so you can see it clearly. And as you can see, we now have a working PayPal account, and we can request for money, and we can also send money out from this PayPal account. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on where you get this notification up here, which is actually asking for you to link and confirm your debit or credit card. So I'll be showing you guys how to go about this in my next video. If you want to see another video of this, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know you want to see a video on how to link your debit card to this PayPal account. And with that said, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, kindly smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I drop a new and updated video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching.